Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can collaborate on Instagram stories. So, collaborating on Instagram story is a great way to engage audiences and promote shared content effectively. And here is how you can do it. The first method that you can do is you can use the add your stickers. This sticker allows you to others to participate in a trend or theme. You can just create a story in here. For example, I'm going to just take a picture directly, and then you can tap the sticker icon at the top and then choose the add yours options. Okay, here you can set a prompt. For example, you can just share your favorite food, for example this one, and then you can share the story and followers can respond by adding their own stories and link it to yours. And then the second method that you can do is you can use the tag and mention collaborators. You can create a story just like this and then add you can just tap the tags tool at the top and then use the add in here and find the username or the collaborators username in here, and you can click on done and upload it, and the tag accounts can reshare your story with their followers. Besides using the text tool, you can also click on the sticker icon at the top and use the mention stickers in here. It's basically the same, but it just use the stickers right here. Okay, and after that you can also use the Instagram collab feature, but it only works for posts and reels, not Instagram stories. So unfortunately you cannot do this on Instagram stories. But basically the two ways that you can do to collaborate on Instagram story is use this mention or use the add yours stickers. And so that's all from me. I hope this simple tutorial on how you can collaborate on Instagram story will be helpful for you. So if you think so, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. You can also leave a comment if you have any question. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the thanks button below. So I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.